So this is the brand new airport commuter train station in Vantaa, which serves the Helsinki-Vantaa Airport, Lentoasema, Flygplatsen Airport. It just opened today on the 10th of July, so it's brand new, and it's the ring rail line, or airport ring line, or whatever you call it. It looks a bit like a metro, this map. And there are two underground stations, the airport station and then Aviapolis station. So let's ride the elevators. So these are KONE Monospace 21 persons or 1,600 kilograms glass elevators. Let's go to floor -1. Built in 2014. Please close. I don't want any people here. Let's try it once again. 11449785. And down again to floor -2. God, shit, let's go inside. Funny. I'm alone in the elevator. Great. This is wrong. It should say floor -2, våning -2, and kerros -2. Why does it say floor 1? It's so stupid. It should be adjusted. We're gonna change elevators now. The other one is coming down. Or maybe somebody is using it. No, I don't want this one. I need to... I'll just go to -1 then and try to call the elevator on the top floor. Seems to be lazy. So let's set it down. Yeah, the elevator is just lazy. There you can see the Icarus machine. Okay, let's get down. To -2, built 2014, 11449786. This elevator is also stupid. It should say floor -2, kerros -2, warning -2. Why does it say first floor? It should be adjusted. Stupid. Anyway, let's go up. Again. And up again. I think there are 2 funiculars at this railway station, so I'm gonna go and see those. Let's set it down. Okay, that's it.